Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Wave's XRP token in a real sense has fundamentally recuperated pointedly in the past couple of days. Wave's claim with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) generally saw Judge Annalisa Torres to a limited extent award and to some extent deny a solicitation from Ripple and really individual litigants to especially seal shows, or so they in a real sense thought. Legal counselor James K. Filan, who has some expertise in digital currency cases, for the most part, said the three records really requested to especially be unlocked by Judge Torres are notice of Brad Garlinghouse's statement in the SEC proper examination, a Chris Larson email string, and a Brad Garlinghouse email in an in every practical sense, significant way. Jeremy Hogan, lawyer for XRP2, a blockchain project in view of the XRP ledger, by and large, rushed to bring up that the most recent decision by Judge Torres was essentially certain, as it generally intended, that the especially several months will truly be exceptionally fascinating, with every one of the significant decisions that most certainly are overall, for the most part teed up. John Deaton, the lawyer for the XRP holders in the SEC versus in an all things considered, enormous way. Swell claim, in a real sense sounded good, demonstrating he for the most part felt the decision by Judge Torres shows that she leans toward public divulgence, which is genuinely critical. Swell can't especially seal most certainly specific archives, lawful memo. Same applies to the SEC, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Think ahead. We may at last generally get to truly see the 63 Hinman messages. Fundamentally expressed Deaton in an unobtrusive way. Might the most recent advancements in the court at any point case in a real sense restore purchasing interest from the bulls, which sort of is very critical. Will XRP in a real sense go up, which sort of is very huge. Peruse our XRP value examination to truly figure out what the diagrams propose in a kind of significant manner. Swell specialized examination. Truly week after week diagram. XRP's cost bounced back pointedly sort of last week, showing that bulls in every practical sense are forcefully guarding the mental level at 50 cents, or so they fundamentally thought. The XRP United States dollar pair really rose 13.63% to end the week at 68 cents in a significant manner. The recuperation could now in a real sense arrive at the 20-week remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, which might go about as an obstruction in an extremely significant manner. Assuming the cost most certainly diverts down from this opposition, it will demonstrate that especially bears explicitly are proceeding to sort of sell on meetings in a kind of huge manner. Running against the norm, assuming that bulls push the cost over the 20-week EMA, the XRP United States dollar pair could mobilize to the 50-week sort of straightforward moving normal, SMA, and afterward to the downtrend line of the dropping triangle design. A break and truly close over the triangle could show a kind of conceivable change in pattern in a truly significant way. XRP's cost could then mobilize to $1.40 in an unpretentious manner. Swell specialized examination. All things considered, everyday graph in an unobtrusive way. XRP's cost fundamentally broke over the 20-day EMA on 4 February and supported purchasing by the bulls, essentially has really pushed the XRP United States dollar pair over the 50-day SMA today. The 20-day EMA especially has sort of begun to truly turn up bit by bit, and the sort of relative strength list, RSI, has bounced into a positive area, proposing a really slight benefit to the bulls in a genuinely significant manner. Assuming that purchasers basically support the cost over the 50-day SMA, the bullish energy could sort of get commonly further. The pair could from that point for the most part start its excursion toward the mental level at $1 in a kind of significant manner. In any case, the truly bears are probably not going to effectively give up. They will endeavor to slow down the assembly in the zone between the 50-day SMA and 80 cents. In the event that they succeed, transient brokers might book benefits, pulling the pair to the 20-day EMA, which really is very huge. In the event that bulls certainly flip the 20-day EMA into help, it will sort of recommend an adjustment of feeling amazingly. The purchasers will then, at that point, endeavor to clear the for the most part above obstacle in a significant manner by and large. This especially certain view will negate on a break and close beneath 65 cents, in which case the essentially bears will then, at that point, endeavor to for the most part sink the pair to the mental help at 50 cents, which in every practical sense, is very huge. What most certainly is XRP ledger. Sent off in 2021, the XRP ledger, XRPL, especially is an open-source permissionless and genuinely decentralized innovation, which especially is very huge. Advantages of the XRP ledger generally incorporate its genuinely minimal expense, $0.0002 to execute, speed, settling exchanges in 3 to 5 seconds, versatility, 1,500 exchanges each second, and intrinsically green credits really, carbon nonpartisan and energy effective, in an essentially significant way. The XRP ledger additionally includes the primary certainly decentralized trade, DEX, and custom tokenization abilities incorporated into the convention. Starting around 2012, the XRP ledger really has been working dependably, having commonly shut 70 million records in a significant manner. Who sort of are the founders of the XRP ledger? In 2012, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb and Arthur Brito sent off the XRP ledger with its genuinely local money XRP as a quicker, genuinely more energy productive option, in contrast to the Bitcoin blockchain, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In September that year, alongside Chris Larson, they established the organization that generally is today known as Ripple. Amazingly, what most certainly makes XRPL most certainly unique in an essentially huge manner. The XRP ledger presents a genuinely wide assortment of utilizations and use cases connected with installments including micropayments, DeFi, and, soon, NFTs. Conveyed in 2012, the XRPL especially upholds undertakings and Python, Java and JavaScript engineers with strong utility and adaptability in an unobtrusive manner. On the XRP site, designers can get to various instructional exercises too in every way that really matters, a system with truly getting everything rolling, utilizing different coding dialects, building applications, overseeing accounts and all things considered, more in a kind of significant way. Close by its most certainly local coin, XRP, the XRP ledger sort of is utilized by engineers to make arrangements that really address shortcomings, including settlement and resource tokenization, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, the 5 essentially primary uses